types of health insurance policies, individuals and family floaters. So what is the difference between the two, and which one should I go in for? What is your recommendation?
So I think between an individual Mediclaim health insurance and a family floater Mediclaim health insurance, at Apna Paisa we have always recommended an individual health insurance policies, and there are quite a few reasons for that. Before I answer the reasons, I think quickly I just need to explain what does an individual policy mean and what does a family floater policy mean. Now let's take an example. There is a family of 3 people, the husband, the wife and the child. Now they could possibly have taken, let's say, a Mediclaim policy of 3 lakhs for each of them, versus they take a family floater of say 5 lakhs which covers all 3 of them. Now let's say one of them falls ill, let's say the wife falls ill and the hospitalization expenditure is 4 lakhs. Now in the individual policies, her policy is for 3 lakhs, so you will get reimbursed only 3 lakhs. Whereas in a family floater the policy was for 5 lakhs and any of the 3 members could use it, so the family will get reimbursed 4 lakhs, and hence in that sense, in a sense like that, the family floater is much more flexible. But the story doesn't end there. Imagine during the same year another member falls ill and the expenditure is now 2 lakhs for that member. Now because that member had a separate policy, he would obviously get reimbursed the full amount of 2 lakhs in the individual category. But in the family floater, now the limit left was only 1 lakh, so he would get only 1 lakh. And so the flexibility essentially comes at a certain cost, which we can talk about now. In order to make sure that you have both the flexibility that a family floater gives as well as the advantages of an individual policy, let us reverse this example. We took an example where a family of 3 had an individual policy of 3 lakhs each versus a family floater of 5 lakhs. Now let's take an example where this family of 3 had individual policies of 5 lakhs each, and or the other alternative was to take a family floater of 5 lakhs each. Now when they take an individual policy of 5 lakhs each, there is no question of any lack of flexibility. The advantages of taking it comes at a, so when you take individual policies of 5 lakhs each versus a family floater of 5 lakhs, obviously the individual policies of 5 lakhs each are more expensive, but it brings lots of advantages, and let me just enumerate those advantages. The first, it comes at a cost, but the extra cost that you pay, one, is not very high, plus it keeps reducing as the senior-most member ages. A family floater's premium is decided by the age of the senior-most member. As the age of the senior-most member increases, the family floater becomes very expensive, and in an individual policy it does not rise at the same level. So as you can see in this slide very clearly, the difference between, for a given family that is assumed, the difference between taking 3 policies of 5 lakhs each versus taking a family floater of 5 lakhs each, the premium difference reduces from about 4,000, it remains constant at about 4,800 when the overall premiums are rising. So I think the advantage is that you get complete flexibility. One person's claim does not affect the other person. The other big advantage, as inflation rises, this overall family cover of 5 lakhs is going to become very inadequate, versus when you have 3 policies, at least your overall family cover is 15 lakhs, though divided into individuals. More importantly, when the child reaches 21 years old, the child cannot continue in the family floater. He or she has to buy a new policy at that age. And if between the time you first took the policy and his reaching the age of 21, if they have contracted a disease or an illness, it is possible that they may not get a new policy at the age of 21, or they may get it at a very expensive rate. So I think given all this, and given the fact that the amount you need to pay for individual policies is not too high as compared to a family floater of the same amount, we strongly recommend individual policies to all clients at Apna Paisa.